Okay, decided to make this video. This place is called East End RV. So you got this place out here. I guess it's pretty much East Moriches. It could almost be Eastport, I guess. But it's by the airport. And let me tell you, they work on everything. They fix everything here. They have a ton of campers here. They do a good job. Their prices are fair, for sure. And this is the East End RV right there. If you need the number, it's right there. I am not friends with them. I'm just a customer that came down here, and I decided to make a YouTube video because it's what I do. I like doing YouTube videos. So, hey. So, I'm making a video of the place, and they have the mechanic shop back here. And you see they have some nice units here. It's not like they're working on junk. They do good stuff. I'm just making a YouTube video for him. And they have the full loaded shop back here. And they do everything. They did my bearings last year, and the price was more than fair. They did all 4 wheels, and they had to change some of the bearings, but they greased it up before a trip. They charged me $200. And it was 4 wheels, 8 lugs each. But they have a lot of equipment. So this kind of surprised me that there's this stocked up. So if you need something for your RV, if you're out here on Long Island and you need to pick up some stuff, let's say like there was a guy I knew last week that ripped the wires out of his plug. You know what? He could have came here and bought this plug and repaired it himself instead of spending $150 for a new plug. Look, they have them all. So they have all these different converter plugs, boxes of converter plugs, all different type. 30 amp to 110. I mean 30 amp to 20 amp or 15 amp, whatever you want to call it. Straps. They even have all the other stuff you need. So if you are local camping here, you could definitely pick up the stuff. And if your bearings are going bad, you're on a road trip, they got everything you need. All the water fittings. We're going to pass through. Sorry. And then, look at this. They have a lot more stuff than I expected. I was very surprised when I walked in here to see all this stuff. And I happened to need, my ladder came loose. My little, the ladder on the back step, I needed the screw. He knew right where to go. Look, they got key sets, lock sets. You know what? I could use the magnetic one. Let me see. Is that what this is? What's this thing? Plunger door holder. I could use one of those magnetic ones. I got to see if he has that, because I have one door that I would like to get that. Look, they have the window latches, but it was down here somewhere where he grabbed that thing that I needed, and it was the well, here they are. I needed this to put the back ladder back on my camper. That's the nut that goes in the side. He had it. Vent covers, so a lot of stuff. Look, you got your floor vents. Look at that. I do have a beat up floor vent. This is it. And it closes. You know what? This is a great idea, too, because in my bathroom, this stupid bathroom, and if you have a camper like my fifth wheel, what happens is the bathroom becomes the hottest room. You know, it gets so hot in there because the vent is the closest one to the heater right in the bathroom. But that has a close on it, so I could actually close that one. That's really, you know what? I may pick this up right now. And it closes. That's a big thing. I think I'm going to do that. But just taking a look, they have everything. Even your water drains, your low point drains, they got all that. A lot of little stuff. A lot of stuff. Oh, satellite finder. I haven't seen one of them in a long time. But like I said, you want to stop down on Montauk Highway. I should ask him for the address in case you guys kind of come down here. But it is called East End RV. So we'll get the address from him. Look, they have more bearing stuff back here.
Never had a problem all my years.
Hit stuff. Hey, what's the address down here?
89 Montauk.
89 Montauk Highway. And that is in?
East Moriches.
East Moriches. That's what I thought. East Moriches. So 89 Montauk Highway, East Moriches. They also have your valves, so on all different sizes. So if your waste valve gets stuck, they got all the parts you need. This is great. All right, people. Hey, do me a favor. Like, subscribe. You never know what you're going to get in my videos.